Hello friends, recently I have visited Muddy Boot Nursery with my students. The trip was organized by Noida International University, Greater Noida as an educational tour for the students. But due to some reason or some busy schedule I couldn't upload it. Now here is the full view of this beautiful nursery and my student will show you the beautiful flora of the nursery, so let's get started. This plant nursery is unique in terms of its unique plant collection, and I bet you won't find such plant collection in any other nursery present in the area of Greater Noida. This commercial nursery pampers the plant in a very scientific manner as shown by the facility of humidifier, green shade net, polyhouse and many more. Now it's time to show you the beautiful plant of this nursery, and you can see the giant Monstera deliciosa sitting right back to me. Here nursery wale bhaiya offering water to my students, but the students are now scattered here and there to look at the beautiful plant collection, and also they are having fun with the local kids. But at the other hand, some students are curious in knowing the plant with no soil. Yes, the epiphytic plant like this, Spanish moss or the Tillandsia species. It is another terrestrial plant known as earth star or cryptanthus species. Here is the variety of aglaonemas, or you can say Chinese evergreen, which belongs to the family Arecae. Aglaonema represents the tropical rainforest and NASA placed them in a top class category of air purifying plants. Aglaonema comes in a variety of colors and they basically grow for their beautiful foliage but not for their flowers. How to grow and care aglaonema? I made a full video on this topic earlier and uploaded in my YouTube channel. The link is in description, you can watch there. Here is the variety of Syngonium podophyllum, which is commonly called as arrowheads. It's a very common plant you can find anywhere in any nursery and any homes. It is very easy to grow, very easy to care. This beautiful plant is called as China doll or Radermachera sinica. This is ZZ plant or Zamioculcas zamifolia. It is another category of air purifying plant. This is Hindu rope plant, Carnosa compacta. Again earth star, cryptanthus species as shown earlier. Very beautiful plant in the pots. This is satin pothos or satin money plant. It is a pothos variety. It basically used in hanging basket. This is again cryptanthus, or you can see the snake like bromeliad species or cryptanthus species. I think this is the variety of Hoya plant, but I am not pretty much sure. If you know, please let me know in the comment box what exactly the species is. If you know the name of these beautiful giant flowers, please let me know in the comment box what species exactly this. Beautiful hibiscus. They grow a variety of hibiscus in their garden. It is Euphorbia milliplant. It is a variety of woody succulent. It is a variety of Chinese fan palm. It is Oxalis triangularis, which is commonly called as false shamrock, is a perennial plant of the family Oxalidaceae. You can see ficus species here. This plant is called as Murraya paniculata, which is commonly known as table kamini. It preferably grown by the bonsai artist to make the beautiful bonsai. This is Asparagus mayeri, or commonly called as foxtail fir. This is pine tree of family Pinaceae. This is Pachypodium lemeri, which is commonly called as Madagascar palm. And here is the cactus section of the nursery. So guys, if you like the video, hit the subscribe button to get the full knowledgeable video like this. We'll meet you in the next video with new topic. Take care. Happy gardening.